Hello, I'm Dr. Kouatly, Professor Kouatly. I would like to talk to you about our hybrid teaching. All our courses is hybrid. That means we teach the class itself and at the same time we teach, let's say, hybrid mode on online. Everything will be like they are in the classroom. We also record all the sessions, so if they are not in the same time zone, that will be no problem. They can attend the classes maybe later. We also teach several technical programming languages like programming, Python, Java, so it was no problem with them to follow us during lectures in this semester or previous semesters.
The hybrid format that we are currently implementing is really the best of both worlds because it allows you the flexibility of being here in person on campus, but also at the same time to attend lectures remotely. And with the technology, the level of interaction and the immersion that's possible is actually quite remarkable as well, because you do feel like you are as in class as possible through the use of video and audio.
Yeah, we're very happy to have this new technology that allows us to do what we call hybrid teaching. It's a way for making sure that all our students, even those who for several reasons cannot be with us at the start of the semester but are still in their home countries, they still can participate in our lectures actively, not only passively, but they can really participate and be part of the group, have a feeling that they really can contribute and learn in the best possible way.